Hello dear Virgos, welcome back to my channel, and this is your reading for the month of October 2021. So let's begin shuffling. Let's see what's in store for you. First week, second week, third week, fourth week, oh my god, and the fifth week. Oh my god, you have got 5 major arcana cards, you guys. 5 major arcana cards. You have got the Fortune's Wheel, the Emperor, the Lovers, the Judgment card, and the Burning Tower. Very powerful reading. Okay, 2 cards came out. I'll have to pick them up. This will be for your first week, this will be for your second week. I see a lot of love. I do see a lot of love. I do see a lot of changes, sudden changes happening. I do see a lot of options in love as well. Choices to make, decisions to make. I also see a lot of stability in your life. I also see a lot of beginnings and endings in your life as well. Third week, fourth week, and the fifth week. Okay, let's begin. The first week where we have the Fortune's Wheel and the One of Spades. Fortune's Wheel is all about destiny. It's all about endings and beginnings. It's all about good and bad fortune. It's all about inevitable things happening in your life, changes happening in your life, unexpected events happening in your life. So you can see that your life is changing unexpectedly, right? It maybe is better than what you ever imagined. There are changes happening in your life. This is a call of your destiny. So wherever you're going around this time with your love life or professional life, be assured that this is a reading that says that you are moving one step closer to your destiny. If you had to end a relationship, if you had to end a job, if you had to leave a place, move to a new place, whatever is happening, it is making you, moving you one step closer to your destiny. Okay, this is destined to happen, whatever is happening in your life. So definitely some things are happening, ending, some things are beginning. So this is a card of new beginnings as well. I see, one cycle is ending in your life, new cycle is beginning. So it's about cycle change in your life, which is going to happen. Major cycle ending with a person, with a life, with a job, with a place. We end a lot of cycles with each of the things that I mentioned. Okay, people, place, job, like that. So yes, definitely old cycles are ending in your life, new cycles are beginning in your life, and that's the message in your first week. Let's clarify the One of Spades from Nostradamus. Yeah, there is contentment and happiness. So I feel whatever changes that are coming to your life, you're very, very happy. Maybe you moved to a new place, maybe you started a new business, maybe you started a new relationship, maybe you changed your friend circle, made new friends. You're very happy and content in whatever life is throwing at you right now. There's a lot of prosperity I can see. There's a lot of good fortune and accomplishment. So you have really, really worked hard to reach where you are right now, and you're very, very happy in that. Okay, so beautiful, the first week, beautiful. The second week where we have the Emperor and we have the Six of Stars. You see this bird is flying to a place, so definitely good news is coming to you. A lot of good news is coming to you. A lot of good messages is coming to you. About your new clients are coming to you. Good deals are coming to you. Good messages are coming to you. There is a lot of, with this Emperor, it brings a lot of stability to your reading. Your life is being very balanced, very harmonious, and with a lot of stability. You bring a lot of stability into your relationships, into your work, into your domestic life. So your life looks very stable, very peaceful, very harmonious around this time, and there are a lot of good news and messages that are coming. This is a good omen. Let me clarify more with Nostradamus. Please tell me more about the Emperor for Virgos. Yeah, In your workplace, you might be a like authoritative figure, you might be a father in your domestic life. So that kind of authority you have, you know, authority of making decisions, a father figure. Maybe in your relationship you are that kind of father figure, always taking care of your girlfriend, you know, always taking care of your wife, you know, that kind of protective energy you have towards your people. And there is definitely a forward movement, a positive forward movement in your life. Like I talked about endings and beginnings, definitely the forward movement, the way the situation that you're moving forward with, the direction that you're moving forward in is going to be a very positive one, because this is a card of good fortune. Okay, now if some of you were dealing with law cases and all, then yes, definitely good news will be coming. The decisions would be in your favor. Okay, this is also a card of law. What about the Six of Stars for Virgos? Journey, travel. So yes, like I said, some of you might be traveling around this time. Maybe you're on a holiday, maybe you're traveling for work, maybe you guys are changing your workplace, you're moving to a new country or city altogether. Holidaying, traveling for work, journey of some kind is possible. Messenger, this is also card of messenger, so good news is coming your way. This could also mean that whatever negativity, just in case you had in your mind, you're moving, trying to overcome the negativity also, you know, and trying to you change a place, for example, and you're trying to adjust in that place with the most positive outcome mindset, you know. So I think all in all, it's really good. Let's get to your third week, where we have the Lovers and the One of Stars. Lovers. So I do feel that you do have a special someone in your life, and in case you don't have one special someone, if you have more special someone, then definitely you are at a crossroad where now you are presented with choices. Basically, you know, you have 2-3 girls or guys in your life, and you have to make a choice whether you want to go with this one or you want to go with that one. Which one do you really want to go with? Because the Lovers is also a card of choices. You have choices in front of you to make from. You have 2-3 options in your life. Okay, wow. So I see that there is a lot of harmony, passion in your love life. So yes, maybe you're not in a mindset of getting married right now, and that's why, you know, you're juggling between a lot of people. Maybe you have a lot of choices, a lot of lovers around this time. The union is, however, very, very strong. Some of you might be coming to a decision of settling down with one person now. You know, it is a card of presenting choices. You have a lot of choices, but you know which one you want. Okay, this One of Stars talks about cutting to the heart of the issue. So maybe out of all the 3-4 girls or guys that you have in your life, you're cutting all of them out and deciding to be with that one person. You know which one is that. You both love each other. I see a lot of passion. You're definitely coming to an agreement. So maybe you guys might be committing to each other around this time. If not really getting married or engaged, definitely I see a commitment between the two of you, a sort of union between the two of you. Okay, you know which one is it, and you're cutting out all the third parties. Okay, let's get to the fourth week, where we have the Judgment card and we have the Pope card. Okay, Judgment card, decision. It's all about decision. So yes, you are making a decision. You know which person this is. You know you have 4 options. You have decided to cut them out. You have decided to be with that one person. You are making that decision in October. Tell me more about the Judgment card, please. Positive changes are coming to your life. Renewal is coming to your life. So in case you were on a break with your partner, you guys were not talking to each other, or there was a third party situation from your side or from their side, you are now cutting them out. Okay, or they are cutting them out. You are cutting them out. Your third party, you want to end that third party, so that you can have a new beautiful beginning with this person, a renewal with this person. You know, you want to be with this person, and now you have decided to go back to them, or mend your fight and cut that third person, because you definitely had a lot of choices in your life, Virgos. I can see that much. You are taking things into account, you are self-assessing things that okay, I think I did wrong by whoever that is your lover is, and I think I should just cut all that third party out because I really love this person. You are coming to this realization. In your work life, yes, you're making some very strong expressing some very strong opinions. Some of you are getting promotions. Your work life, it looks really, really great. Restoration is on the cards, definitely, guys. So if you guys were on a break, I see there is a reunion happening for sure. Tell me more about the Pope card, please. Tell me more about the Pope card for Virgos. Yeah, priest, judge, counselor, businessman, power. So basically you guys are have decided to be with this person, and some of you are actually making a strong agreement. So maybe you guys have decided to do a court marriage or an actual marriage, because this is a card of priest as well. So you're going to the church, you're getting married, you're deciding to end that third party relationship and be with this person forever. Okay, you are making that strong decision. So your life is going to change beautifully if you make this decision. That is what basically the cards are trying to tell me. You know, this decision of yours of cutting out the third party and moving in with this person is going to bring you a lot of success. Work wise, you're going to get promotions, you're going to have authoritative position and stuff looks great. But personal advice, I would like to say that you are cutting third party out and you are deciding to go forward and get engaged or do a court marriage or actually get married to this person, which is great. The last week, the 5th week, has the Burning Tower and the 10 of Stars. Some of you might be dealing with a Gemini, guys. Burning Tower is something which talks about unexpected fast changes happening. So if I feel that some things are going to come down, okay, so if you were a player and you had a lot of options, and if you did not cut that person out, your relationship is going to end. It's not going to last long if you don't cut that third party out. Your relationship is going to end. Remember that. Please tell me more about the 10 of Stars. Yeah, that's what I feel. I feel that you had a lot of options, okay, and I don't know why, but you know, it somehow just struck me, and that's exactly what I felt, that some of you decided not to cut that third party out when you decided that I really want to play around and I don't want to be serious or whatever. This party is going to, your lover is going to end this relationship with you. If you think that after catching you they will want to still get married with you, only if you cut that third party out. If you did not, then it's all going to come down. Your life is going to come down and you would not even realize it. Maybe you thought that I can work it out and it will not happen, because this is something you won't see. This is the universe getting in, stepping in only when you don't make a decision that was required out of you. You know, when we delay something and we're not taking action on it, then the universe will step in. Then things will be changed, and they will be changed according to the universe, for your best, but according to the universe, not according to you. So I feel that some of you ran away from some sort of decision and then the universe had to step in. You did not have much choice, and now that's why, because this is falling down. That could be your health. Maybe you are very successfully rising in your health and you are not giving up, in your work life and having a lot of success and you're working very hard and not paying attention to your health. It's coming down now. I see there's a lot of sadness. I see there's a lot of pain. So maybe you guys did not cut that third party out, and now your lover has ended the relationship with you, and now you're in a lot of pain, sadness, tears, misfortune, disappointment, exhaustion. You're tired, you're exhausted, because this is something you weren't really expecting. In the 5th week, be very careful if there's something that you need to do and you're not doing. For example, if you're not taking care of your health, or if you're I don't know, finding wrong means to earn money, if you're not cutting that third party out and all those or several people out from your life to be with that one person, then that one person is not going to stay with you, or your job is going to be at risk if you have not taking proper means to earn money, and your health is going to come down falling if you're not going to take care of your health. So you have to make sure that you're doing everything correctly. I know it is hard, but we have to take care of yourself, because if the universe steps in, you're going to be very sad. I see a lot of pain, I see misery, I see a lot of tears. You will be crying if the universe decides to step in. So please cut that third party out, otherwise everything will be falling down. Okay, make that decision before your tower falls down. That is what the message from me is for you. Okay, so I hope you guys like this reading and this helped you make the right decision. Whenever you see this, please like and subscribe my channel. Take care of you and your lover, I would correct. Okay, take care of you and your lover, and I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.